In the realm of high-performance blenders, this Cleanblend Commercial Blender stands out as a top contender for those seeking both power and versatility. This 64oz Countertop blender is designed to meet the demands of busy kitchens and commercial settings, with its impressive 1800-watt motor and multifunctional capabilities. Let's dive into the features and benefits of this robust blender and see why it might be the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. At the core of the Cleanblend Commercial Blender is its formidable 1800-watt motor, delivering an impressive 3 horsepower. This level of power ensures that the blender can tackle even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether you're pulverizing ice for smoothies, chopping fresh vegetables for salsa, or processing hot soups, Cleanblend Blender handles it all without breaking a sweat. The blender's motor is not just powerful but surprisingly quiet, a feature that is often overlooked in high-performance blenders. This is particularly advantageous in commercial settings where noise levels can be a concern. Despite its robust power, the Cleanblend operates smoothly, allowing you to work efficiently without the disruptive noise typically associated with heavy-duty blenders. One of the standout features of the Cleanblend Commercial Blender is its ability to replace up to 9 different kitchen appliances. This all-in-one design means that you can use it to crush, blend, chop, grind, heat, process, puree, and liquefy with ease. This versatility makes it an invaluable tool in any kitchen, whether you're making ice-blended coffee, smoothies, or soups. The variable speed control allows for precise adjustments, ensuring that you get the exact texture you desire for your recipe. From smooth and creamy soups to chunky salsas, the Cleanblend provides consistent results every time. The ability to handle a wide range of tasks not only simplifies your kitchen workflow, but also reduces the need for multiple appliances, saving valuable counter space. When it comes to preparing large quantities, Cleanblend Commercial Blender excels. With its 64oz pitcher, this blender is perfect for making big batches of smoothies, juices, ice cream, milkshakes, and more. This large capacity is especially beneficial for commercial environments like cafes, restaurants, and smoothie bars, where efficiency and speed are crucial. The Cleanblend's ability to handle large volumes means you won't need to blend in multiple batches, which can be both time-consuming and labor-intensive. This efficiency allows you to serve more customers in less time, making it an excellent choice for businesses that need a reliable and high-capacity blender. Safety and durability are key considerations in any kitchen appliance, and the Cleanblend Commercial Blender delivers on both fronts. The blender is constructed with food-grade stainless steel blades that are both hardened and durable, ensuring long-lasting performance. Additionally, the pitcher is BPA-free, meaning you can enjoy your food without worrying about harmful chemicals leaching into your ingredients. The high-speed blender features an 8-blade sealed ball-bearing design that maximizes performance and ensures smooth blending. The pitcher itself is designed to be nearly unbreakable and easy to clean, adding to the overall convenience and safety of the blender. Cleanblend stands behind their product with a generous 5-year warranty. This extensive coverage provides peace of mind, knowing that your investment is protected. The warranty reflects the manufacturer's confidence in the quality and durability of the blender, making it a reliable choice for both home and commercial use. Why choose the Cleanblend Commercial Blender? The Cleanblend Commercial Blender offers a powerful motor, multifunctional design, and large capacity, making it a top choice for anyone in need of a high-performance blender. Whether you're a home cook looking to upgrade your kitchen equipment or a business owner in need of a reliable commercial blender, the Cleanblend delivers exceptional performance and versatility. With its ability to handle a wide range of tasks and large quantities, along with its durable and safe construction, the Cleanblend is an excellent investment for anyone serious about blending. If you're looking for a blender that combines power, efficiency, and convenience, Cleanblend Commercial Blender is a standout option. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.